It's almost Christmas, it's December, end of December, and we got a Himalayan here with us. What a lovely motorcycle. I like it so much. It's a unique motorcycle, unique designed motorcycle that gives you things that there is no many motorcycles that can give you. Of course, it's for very beginners riders or for very old and wise riders. So we will speak about this motorcycle. What we got in this motorcycle? It's a lovely and very well equipped motorcycle. What we got? Let's start with a standard. We got a windscreen. We got all this protection for the engine. We got here handles for the second rider and position ready for the top box. We got a footrest with tooths and rubber also. We got rubber for the second rider. We got a single stand. We got a double stand. We got approach for the engine. Okay, we got a low fender also for the mods, and what we got as an extra. This is extra, this is extra, here is extra, and let's see now the position of riding. Okay, I'm going on it. We got traction control, we got ABS that you can disconnect it for the dirt. We got really lovely clocks that you got at the left side. You got a kilometer counter and a screen, an LCD screen with many informations, you know, trip, temperature, etc. You got fuel blicker in the middle, RPM counter, fuel counter. You got compass. It's lovely. It's a motorcycle with compass, and you got also in a small color screen in the right side. Everything is in a correct position. I have a good view back. I am a bit of protected, not super protected, but I am a bit of protected, and I feel comfortable. Let's see now with Georgia. Georgia must be stay in the camera to keep the waterproof.
We can go, we can ride. Let's go.
Would you feel nice?
Very nice. It's very fat, the seat.
Okay.
And it's amazing. It's very good.
Nice, Georgia.
The legs are a little bit narrow, but okay.
Why you are leaving? You said everything and you are leaving?
Yes.
You are feeling so uncomfortable, yes. So bad?
No.
Okay.
Because it's raining.
Stay. Go. Okay, I feel comfortable. I am a bit of protect, I have a good view back, and it's raining cats and dogs. The sound of the engine is okay. The gearbox, it's lovely, and we are moving with this Indian-made motorcycle. We change directions easily. This bike is cornering easily, and the brakes are, it's okay. So the performance is not so, but it's okay. The performance is not the best possible. Not even close, but the power, it's enough to take you out from everywhere, from the mud, in a street like this, because this motorcycle is got 32 Nm at 4500 RPM, that this is the powerful part of this engine. The horses are only 24.5 horses at 6500 RPM. The bike is heavy, it's 182 kilos dry, because it's made by metal, everything it's metal on it. It's a heavy metal bike, and it's got a tank that is 15 liters. The consumption of this bike is excellent. You can make with this tank more than 300 kilometers. It's nice. Now, the gearbox is got 5-speed and is an excellent gearbox. My opinion is that if you don't care about the horses and you care about the durability and the power, this bike is ideal. Plus on that you got a oil cooler, a radiator of oil. This makes this bike even better. Brakes. What we got here? We got Biber brakes, we got a 2-piston caliber front, and we got 1-piston caliber back. We got ABS that you can disconnect it by the button that is existing here. Also we got traction control, and it's a motorcycle that you cannot say that you got the best brakes of the world, but at least you got enough brakes to feel very safe on this motorcycle. Quality, metal, plastic. We got a bit of plastic here. We got a bit of plastic. All the rest of the bike, it's full metal made. Heavy thing, tough thing, simple thing. That means easy to restore and hard to have a damage on it. This bike is got enough miles already, but looks perfect. No corrosion, nothing on it. Saddles are perfect. Everything it's lovely on this motorcycle, and everything it's heavy and full metal. The durability of this motorcycle is excellent. Something that I would like to have in this bike. I would like to have a tubeless wheels. I don't have it, but it's okay. It's anyway low performance motorcycle. So that's it. Good. Okay, this is a heavy bike, but you can easily pass from any dirty path. You can make an enduro, a weekend enduro, and of course if you don't want to hunt KTMs and Husqvarnas. So I consider it that this is a lovely bike and you can enjoy your life off-road with it. Okay, finally, this is a motorcycle that I like it. I like it because it's a simple construction. I like it because it's its unique design. I like it because it's friendly motorcycle for everyone, for beginner or for older motorcycle riders. I consider it as a good choice of buying. I like all this style, and I feel safe on it. It's not bad at the dirty paths, even if it's so heavy for on-off motorcycle. And anyway, I like it. And I love those clocks. I love those clocks. What is your opinion, Georgia?
I also like the look very much. It's one of a kind. I love the clocks. I love the position of riding. I love that it's going not fast but
Powerful.
And I don't like so much the sound, and I don't like what? Nothing else. Everything else I like.
So you are positive for this
I am
motorcycle?
positive, yes.
I think that everybody is positive in this motorcycle because it's a lovely motorcycle, a unique low price motorcycle. So, philosophy. Είναι οι στάλες της βροχής που μαστιγώνουν το πρόσωπό μου και νιώθοντας τα χαστούκια του νερού βιώνω τα χαστούκια της μοίρας που διάγουν μια καινούρια κατάσταση μέσα από την αναγέννηση αυτού του φλογερού κορμιού πάνω σε μια Royal Enfield.
Ρίξε μια βροχή να σβήσει το κορμί.
Όχι ρε Γεωργία, θα τελειώσουμε το βίντεο. Τσουτσουριασές.
Σίγουρα.
Κοίτα. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
What a lovely show. What a lovely show.
Beautiful show. Real life reviews.